Ever planted healthy seedlings outside, only to see them wilt or die soon after? That usually happens because they weren't hardened off properly. Hardening off means gradually getting indoor-grown seedlings used to real outdoor conditions, like wind, sun, fluctuating temperatures, and cooler nights. So they develop strong stems and leaves instead of getting stressed or shocked. Here's a simple way to do it in a typical Aussie backyard. About a week before you plan to plant, take your seedlings outside to a sheltered, shady spot for 2 hours. Then bring them back inside. Each day, increase their outdoor time by an hour and slowly introduce more sunlight. After a few days, let them enjoy gentle morning sun, but avoid harsh midday rays that can burn tender leaves. If cold winds or heavy rain come through, keep your seedlings protected under cover. By day 6 or 7, your seedlings should be spending all day outdoors and even a night or two outside, still in a sheltered spot. The biggest mistake is rushing this process or leaving seedlings in full sun on day 1. This can cause sunburn or shock, stunting growth or killing them. When your seedlings look sturdy and are used to the weather, plant them out in your garden. This simple step leads to healthier plants and a better harvest, saving you time and effort in the long run.